What is going on, everyone? My name is Jared, and today we have something I probably wouldn't normally buy. So this is Get Bearskin, or they just call it Bearskin. Basically, this was an ad on social media or whatever. I saw an ad, a demonstration of this case alternative. Basically, they're saying that apply this chemical, this coating to your phone, and it should prevent it from getting micro scratches, abrasions from keys, coins, things like that. Now, the Gorilla Glass on the phone generally does a pretty good job at micro scratches, and this is supposed to do better. They demonstrate somebody stabbing their iPhone with a key, and it's not leaving any marks. And I know keys generally don't leave a lot of marks on the iPhone, so I'm curious to see what this stuff does, how it works. It's a two-step process and with some waiting in between. So we're gonna do this in parts, and then I'm gonna do a follow-up video after I've used it in the wild without a case and go from there. So first thing is first, you're obviously gonna have to take your case off, and I have a screen protector on my device, so I actually was gonna replace this anyway. So now it's a good time to get rid of this screen protector. This was a good one. I had it for quite some time. It lasted me like 10 months, and it finally just started chipping because I dropped it not too far, but it just hit the corner. This is glass, you don't want that. And you gotta get out of here when I actually put this stuff on. But anyway, they give you a microfiber, they give you all these instructions, and they give you the two-step process. So they say first you want to clean your phone. So it's kind of like everything else. Here, you want this? Come on. Go. It's kind of like everything else you do. Clean your phone first, wipe it all down, all of that. I have the box here just to have something soft for it to sit on, basically. But I am going to show you, once I'm done cleaning it, that this phone has been well maintained and taken care of. Get out of here. There's not a mark on the front or the back. So just going into this fully transparent. They say you can clean the rails, you can put it on every part of this device, and it should protect against it. It's interesting. I'm not one to buy, I guess, more gimmicky products like this, but we are going to try it out. It looked interesting to me. I mean, I like the phone without a case on it because it shows off the design, but it really bothers me. I mean, and this isn't definitely not going to protect it against drops, and it's not going to protect it against, heavy damage, but it should, they say, protect against scratches. And they actually include this warranty. It says register at Bearskin, getbearskin.com, register within 14 days of purchase and take advantage of the $100 protection plan. And basically what they're saying when I looked on their website is that if your phone breaks with Bearskin applied, they will reimburse you $100 towards fixing your device. So if your screen breaks, glass breaks, whatever, they're gonna reimburse you $100. Now, I didn't read the fine print, and I'm sure there is some crazy fine print on that for what it will and will not cover, because I find it hard to believe that they are going to cover things that don't apply to this coating. And I bet there's gotta be a very specific reason for everything. So this reminds me a lot of, I applied something similar to my car called F11 Top Coat. It's a ceramic coating, basically, that puts a layer on top of the car surface and makes it so nothing sticks to it. And the more you put on it, the more it protects. Obviously, this is a one and done sort of ordeal here, but it seems very similar. All right, you gotta. Sorry, kitty, you gotta move. So give it a last minute wipe down. So they say for this primer, use the microfiber cleaning cloth and clean your phone. We've done that. Oh, just for evidence, I'm gonna show you The back of this phone is pristine. The sides are also polished, and the front doesn't have a scratch on it because I had a screen protector on since I bought it. So there shouldn't be a single mark on this phone whatsoever. So that's our base. A near mint 8-month-old iPhone 10. Now, they also only say that this works for iPhone 10 and iPhone 8, which I don't understand why. It must just be what they've protected it or tested it against, but we shall see. So, apply the primer pad to the front, back, and sides. It is safe to apply to all surfaces, including the camera lens, ring silent switch, and microphone. Unfold the pad when it loses moisture, and then wait for 3 minutes. So, let's, it says go up and down, left to right. Now, for all of you wondering, I have no idea what this primer is. I don't know if this is gonna take off the oleophobic coating. It probably will. But the coating that I put on it should give it some sort of fingerprint resistantness to it. I have no idea. This is basically a shot in the dark. We're gonna try it. And if my oleophobic coating comes off, well, so be it. Usually alcohol does, even though every screen protector you buy, they say, you know, rub it with an alcohol pad first. So I don't know. And they say you do this until the pad is dry. So I'm just gonna keep on going. This really burns cuts. If you got cuts in your hands, probably wouldn't use this. They also say turn off your phone, and I probably should, but I didn't. Same when I'm using the white stone dome glass. I usually don't turn off my device. Just, I don't know, force a habit. You should. Do as I, don't do as I do. Read the instructions. They say open it up. Do this. Do the sides again. It smells very, it's very pungent. Very chemically smelling, at least the primer part. I would like to know what it actually is, but I'm sure they would never let us know. Trade secret, I guess. And they say you gotta do this till it's dry. So it's almost dry, and then unfold it all the way. And just keep on going. Get the last little bit here on the front. Hope everyone's day is going good. Leave a comment if you're gonna try something like this, or if you do try it, or if you have tried it, because I would be anxious to see if it works. All right, so this is, I would say, just about spent. It's still kind of wet, so I'm just gonna go over the sides. Go over the back, and then it says wait 3 minutes. So I am going to wait 3 minutes. So I will be back. I'm gonna pause the video because there's no need to record me just sitting here waiting. So we will be back in just a moment. All right, we're back. So it's been the 3 minutes. Put the timer on. Now it says to clean the phone once again and get ready to put on the actual coating. So then after that, you have to wait 15 minutes. So after I put this on and wait, I'm not going to keep recording because at that point it says let it cure for 24 hours. You can touch it after 15 minutes, but to be safe, like don't do anything stupid in 24 hours. So, or 12 hours, 12 hours. I'm an idiot. It says 12 hours. See, again, good reason to read the instructions. Right away, the phone feels slippery. More slippery than before. So, that's interesting to me. But, all right, so we're almost done here cleaning it. And then we're going to basically do the same thing. Just wipe this coating on it until the thing is dry. I'm trying not to get any fingerprints on it. So, the good part about this is it's not like I can catch any debris underneath it. So it's not like the Whitestone dome glass where I got to make sure there's not a speck of dust. This coating probably, once I wipe it over, it should take care of any residual stuff. Alrighty, protect. Wait 10 minutes after applying protectant. Allow 12 to 24 hours for protectant to cure. This product contains no actual bears. Make sure there's no abrasive materials on the device before applying. Flammable. Neat. Don't put it in your eye. Awesome. So remember that. Wash your hands after this before you itch your face. Again, I'm very interested. This smells like alcohol. Not even. It smells even more potent than that. Burns your nostrils. So we're going to go up and down. We're going to go left and right. Again, it says put it everywhere on the device. Up and down. Left and right. Do the sides. Do more of the sides. This smells like glue. Very, very interesting smell we got going on here, but, you know, who am I? Maybe this shit works. I'd be impressed. I mean, I was actually concerned when I put the top coat on my car because it was kind of, it wasn't waxy, and you had to really buff once you put it on, but that stuff worked fantastic. So, if it's anything like that, I'd be really impressed. And being that I just cleaned the side rails, there's really no better time to do this than now. So I guess this is a good way to keep your device looking mint if you're going to sell it, or if you are ever going to sell it. So there's that. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking. I am just going to let this get time-lapsed once the video is actually done. So after this time-lapse is done, I'm going to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. I will absolutely let you know if this works or if it doesn't work. I'm, again, very anxious to see. I'll put it through its paces. I mean, I'm not going to throw it or drop it or stab it with keys, but I'm going to use it without a case. And generally, you know, you can see that abrasion happen very quickly if it does actually happen. So anyway, my name is Jared. I'm going to let this video time out as I just apply this here Bearskin. And like I said, I will get back to everybody when in a couple days. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.